Hi everyone, this is Joanne Blancas Gulshan, and our mini vlog for today is about the 27 books from the New Testament. Alright, so it starts with the stories about Jesus, letters from Paul, messages on staying faithful, wisdom teachings, letters from the other leaders, and the apocalypse. It's very easy for us to determine kung nasaan na tayong banda if we are going to read the Bible. Right? So this is the easiest way on how to do that. We need to sing a song. Like it goes like this: Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, 1st and 2nd Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, 1st Timothy, 2nd Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, 1st Peter, 2nd Peter, 3 John, Jude, and Revelations. Alright guys, because we are doing Bible study and we need to share verses on our own each and every time. So kaya na-memorize na rin namin to sa aming church. Follow, like, and share!